Welcome to Octavia Beauty, and today we're going to be doing my monthly favorites. I love doing these types of videos because it gives me a chance to let you guys see some of the makeup that I've hauled that I am enjoying, and then some of the things that I've hauled that I haven't got a chance to use yet. But it gives you guys an idea of the things that I am enjoying and that works. And sometimes I even reach back and I grab some older products and I start to re-enjoy those products. So if you guys like these types of videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you are already subscribed, please consider becoming a notification beauty. Now let's go ahead and start the monthly favorites. So I wanted to start this video off with my Liquid Silk Tatcha Canvas. You guys already know that I love this product. I think this is my top primer in my collection. It's one of my favorite primers, if not the most favorite primer. And I haven't been able to use it because I've been trying to finish up my original Tatcha Silk Canvas that comes in the little round thing. And so I finally finished that up and I'm able to freely and enjoyably, happily use the Liquid Silk Canvas, which I love this formula. I think Tatcha should have came out with this version first. And if you have not tried the Tatcha Silk Canvas, the Liquid Silk Canvas, then why don't you try picking you up a mini size of it and see how you enjoy it. The next product is an oldie but definitely a goodie, the Versace Rose Gold Skin Mist. You guys, I've been picking up this product sometimes even after I do my skincare, I will spray with this. I also have some toners that I'm enjoying, but I fell in love with this and I find myself spraying this on my face like in between my steps of my makeup. Sometimes after I use a longer setting spray, I might not like how that setting spray dries down. So then I will go over it with the skin mist. So that way, you know, my makeup is in place all day, but then it has the effect that I like for my makeup to look. I don't like it to look, sometimes I like it to look matte, but I don't want to look to super drying. And so I have been reaching for this, and I have a backup of this. And you know what, I've fell in love with it, and it's on my little stand here and I use it frequently. And so if you have not tried it, you may want to give that product from Versace. It's one of the few products that I love from the brand. And we also have my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I really haven't worn this foundation as much since I had filmed my wear test video of that foundation, you guys, but I actually do love this foundation. It's a very good foundation. It's a very medium coverage foundation. I've also been using the concealer. The concealer is, to me, a very light coverage concealer. I would consider it a light coverage concealer. So I do like to use that concealer. It just depends on what foundation I'm using. When I'm using this medium coverage foundation, I will use that concealer. But I like to build up the Armani concealer. But this foundation is one of the products that I love from Giorgio Armani. And this is a luxury product. So if you guys haven't had a chance to use it, try it. They are always having great sales on it, so try to pick it up, this product on sale, so you get a chance to enjoy it. Now, another product that I have been using, you guys, I've been loving this product so much. And I know the rage is that Pharmacy came out with the new Green Clean of their makeup remover, and it has no fragrance in it, but I haven't picked that one up. But before that one came out a little while ago, I picked up the Julo Skin Cleansing Balm. And it, to me, works just as well as the Pharmacy. They pretty much have the same type texture, the same type balmy texture, and the same balmy formula. But it has this light lemon scent that's not too overpowering. So if you guys don't like fragrance, then I wouldn't pick up this product. But it does have a very light lemon scent. And I know Pharmacy have since come out with some products that have different scents to them other than the original. Man, but I really have been enjoying this product. This is what I've been using to take off my makeup. And when I'm done, I'll probably go back to one of my, I really do enjoy the Pharmacy one. And I have a bigger size of the of the clean, and I have a backup of it. I finished one and I have a backup, so when I finish this one, I'll use this one, that one, then I have a backup of this one. So I'm not in the market to purchase a new cleansing balm, but I use this to take off my makeup, and it works really good, and I love the scent. And I think Juno Skin is like one of those brands that's not in Sephora, not into Ulta, that you have to go to their website and purchase some of their products. But this is the only product I've tried from that company, and I really thoroughly enjoy it. Next, we have the Laura Mercier Cosmic Rose. This is the translucent loose setting powder, light catcher powder, and it's in the shade Cosmic Rose. And you guys, I love this powder. I want to swatch it for you guys, if you guys can kind of see how it looks in here. And you remember when I'm going to swatch it for you guys. I'm going to put a little on here and try to see if I can rub it in, if it'll show up on camera. But when I use my glowish foundation, like, it's so subtle you can't even see it as much. But when I use my glowish foundation and I set it with a loose powder, you can see it right here, just very light and beautiful. I love it. You know, the glow to my skin disappearing. Y'all know your girl likes to glow. I like to glow, and I know some of you like to glow also. So how I use this powder is as a finishing powder. So I don't put this under my eyes. I will set under my eyes with my basic Laura Mercier translucent powder and set my face with whatever powder I'm gonna set it, and then I will go over my face and just lightly touch it up. And I use this as a finishing powder, not as a setting powder. I don't set my makeup with it, but it gives my makeup like the most glowy look. I love my makeup when I use this powder, and I only use it when I want that glow, baby. If I want to be matte, then you're not going to want to, if you're going for that matte look, you're not going to go and use that glowy powder. I don't use it every day, but I definitely think for like Christmas is coming up, holiday parties, all of those type things. If you want to glow and you just want your skin to have that extra oomph, then this is the product to get. I love it. Like, I don't know how much more I can rave about it. I love it. And if you want that glow, you should try it also. Now, I also reached back and picked up the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow Palette. Now, the reason why I went back and picked this palette up is because Natasha came out with her new face palette. And that face palette has the cream blushes, or is it a bronzer? I'm not sure. I haven't watched many videos on it, but looking at that palette, I was kind of wanting to try that palette, and I was like, girl, are you really about to spend money on a new Natasha Denona face palette when you are not even using the palette that you already have from Natasha Denona? And so this right here is a blush palette. I think it's a blush and glow palette, so it has blush and highlighters in it. So I re-grabbed this up, and this palette is amazing. Right here, pigment. She is pigmented, okay? I love these, and I love to like layer them up. So by me using this palette, I'm really not feeling like I'm having FOMO missing out on Natasha Denona face palette, because the face palette is just really very neutral, and I have a lot of neutral options in my collection already. So with that being said, if I want to purchase that palette, I can wait till that palette go on sale, or I can wait till I'm in the financial place where I'm like, okay, I want to pick up this palette. I don't have to have it right now when it just came out, because I have this one and I still enjoy it. So if you guys are feeling FOMO about the Natasha Denona face palette and you are not wanting to pick it up, or you don't know if you're going to use it, reach back and pick up one of her blush and glow palettes. It's going to give you that same type of feel. Trust me, you're going to feel, I feel fine with not having that palette. Maybe it'll help keep the edge off of wanting to purchase it, if you not want to purchase it right now. Now, another product I did just recently pick up and I hauled was my Urban Decay 24/7 waterliner eyeliner pencil, and I love this pencil. Oh my goodness, let me tell y'all, before I was using I think maybe some little a more affordable option as an eyeliner, maybe like the retractable one, and it was okay. It was a good product for what it did. I used that product a long time, so I ain't finna knock it. It worked. It was okay. But this one I absolutely like a lot more, and I loved a lot more. So if you've been wanting to pick this product up, you should definitely pick it up. I was using this product even before I hauled it for you guys, and that's when I was like, I need to go ahead and film this haul because I'm in this box, I'm using this stuff, and it's gonna be everywhere, and I'm not gonna be able to find it. So I need to sit down and film my haul video. So this was in that first haul video, my Sephora VIB haul sale. So if you have not seen that haul, then you need to watch it. And this product is very, very well. So you guys, I think I have just a couple of more products here, and then we will be wrapping up the video. So everybody always asks me, friends and family, they always say, Octavia, what nude lip are you wearing? You're always wearing nude lips. What are you using? And guys, honestly, sometimes I will have I'm ashamed with maybe 2 lip liners, maybe 3-4 shades of of lipsticks, because I like to layer my lips. I like a certain look for my lips. So, but the most simple combo that I have for you guys to get that nude lip that I like, that I am known for, that I love to wear all the time. And sometimes when I'm filming, I would just grab these two. These are going to give you that, are going to give you that look that you want. It's going to give you that nude lip that I wear. These are one of my favorite combos I wear. And sometimes I do wear just these two together because they work so beautiful together, but they look really great on their own. So I don't know if these are still being sold at Sephora, if Bobbi Brown still have these on sale, but if she is still selling these, you guys definitely should pick them up if you are looking for a nude lip combo. And so I have the Bobbi Brown in the shades West Coast, and this one is the West Coast. It's the more deeper of the shades. So you would put this on the outside of the lip, and then you would go in with the other shade on the inside. So let's swatch these so you guys can kind of see the shade. So this one is West Coast Bay. Okay, and then we have, I think this one is East Coast Slay, and this is the lighter of the two. And I love to wear these together. I'm gonna swatch it beside it, and then like really like close, so you guys can kind of see that. And this formula on this is so amazing. Like these formulas are really good, and these two products go really well together. And if I had not had on this red lipstick, I would put them on my lips. So I would wear these two with a lip liner, and there you go, you have the perfect nude combo, and you really don't have to use anything else. But I like to switch it up and use different things, and these are not matte. So then if you want like a matte lip, then you're gonna need to get something else. These are very luminous, soft and creamy. You're gonna love this formula, and I am not disappointed that I purchased these two. They sit right here. If they sit right here, then I am loving it because I reach for it often. Now, my last product, last but not least, is my P. Louise Base Pro. Now, this is an eyeshadow pro base. Now, I have this one, and I have the one in black. Now, P. Louise also has skin tone colors that are all supposed to work with colors, but I wanted the pro status. And this right here, I have been priming my eyes with this since I purchased it. I have not put it down, and normally you guys know I use my Too Faced concealer, which works great. That Too Faced concealer, oh my goodness, top notch for the Too Faced concealer. Now I don't know how it will work with a different concealer, but with that Too Faced concealer, your eyeshadow will last. It's not creasing. It is great. It's a great base for your eyeshadow, and it's a great concealer for under your eyes. Like, it's an all around great product. Like, you need to pick it up if you hadn't. So this is the P. Louise Base Pro, and you can feel it get mad, y'all. Oh my goodness. So I normally use a little less than this, and I know this isn't in my skin color, but the way that I prime my eyes, I do bring my concealer down some. But this right here, you guys, all you have to do is just let let this sit on there. Go ahead, blend it out, and just let it sit. Let it sit. Put on your primer, prime your lips. I don't know. Just let it sit for a little bit while you do some other steps in your makeup, and let it dry down a little bit, and just go on with your eyeshadow on top of it. You do not have to set this with any type of setting powder, y'all. And one day I had put some on my hand to kind of warm it up, and like I went ahead and did my makeup and stuff, and when I went to go wash my hands, y'all, it did not come off. It did not move. Okay. I used some hand soap and it did not come off. I had to use my facial my face cleanser, which is the Purity Philosophy, is the one that I had used, and had to put it on my hand. I had to massage a little bit, and then it came off, and I was like, girl, like, baby, like, this right here is the Balm.com. I love this product. Now, I can't speak for all of them, but I can speak for the black one because I like the black one. But I want to make sure you know which one that I have, because I have not tried all of them. So I can only speak to the one that I have. And it is the P. Louise Base Pro. It is a cosmetic base, taking your makeup to pro status. And I don't know, is like, all I know is your makeup and your eyeshadow ain't gonna crease, and it's gonna last all day. That's what I'm gonna tell you. And you don't have to set this with no powder. Just let it dry down. See, it's dry already. It's dry. Let this dry down, and just put your eyeshadow. Let me put some eyeshadow on top of here with a brush. I wore green today, so I used the Smoke Session palette. So I'm gonna go into the Smoke Sessions palette, and I'm gonna pick up this color. Okay, we're gonna tap, 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 and we're gonna put this on the brush. Okay, and she gonna stay. She is gonna stay. When I put this color on, I pack it on anyways, but if you want, you can blend it out to blend your edges, but she gonna stay. Let's use I have a brush I use some brown with. Let me find that one, and I will show you guys how we will go in with the Urban Decay, because I also use this palette today. And if you haven't seen that video, you definitely need to see that video. And I use the shade Half, which is this caramel type shade. Okay, and she gonna stay. She beat. She is gonna stay. Like, it's amazing. And you can blend these out. Like, baby, you see how she's staying right here? You see how my green is just staying? But baby, it's gonna stay, and your colors are gonna show up and show out. You're gonna love this product, you guys. I love it. Anyways, I did not know I was gonna go into demonstration mode, but sometimes you got to show the people what they need in their life. And make sure you guys hit the like button. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what are some products that you have enjoyed the month of November. It could be some recently hauled products, or it can be an old goodie favorite. Just let me know what products you enjoyed the month of November, because sometimes I like to switch it up and just reach back and grab something that I used to love that I'm no longer using, and to bring it into rotation. I like to use my makeup. And so that's what's going on. I know you guys do too. And I want to know what you guys like. Let me know what you like down below in the comments. And I'm going to holler at you guys later.